All right, so we're going to go ahead and cover the second exercise for Chapter 6. Obviously, to start out with, we're going to create a new Python file. We're going to call that ch6ex2.py because Chapter 6 exercise number 2. Obviously, we want to copy things from Canvas and we want to paste them in, select them all, and go ahead and mark them out with Control/. First instruction, obviously, is going to be conditionally executed main method. So we're going to go ahead and set that up here. All right, so good to go. Easy first little section. Okay, so obviously we're going to try to open a file called analysisdata.txt. Now, if you watch the videos, you understand that this is going to be something with try except. So we can set up our try except situation here, and we can pass. Now, obviously, this is a very, very general outline, okay? So we're going to try to open a file, right? So we know how to open a file. We've seen that before. We're going to have some file name, and we're going to have some file mode, okay? Obviously, if we're opening it for reading, you know what mode, and I gave you the name up here as well, so you should know what to fill in there. If the file doesn't exist, you want to go ahead and create the file. Obviously, there is a file exception associated with not existing, right? A file not found error right here. Now, it'd be good to go ahead and save that as a thing, okay? File not found error as ERR, because sometimes it's nice to have that data for you. But if it doesn't exist, you want to go ahead and create the file, okay? Now, again, you know what the file name is, and if I'm going to create the file, there's a file mode or two that I can use that will go ahead and make that if it doesn't exist. Okay, so obviously we want to make sure that we close the file whether the exception is raised or not, which means maybe we could use something like this, and we could do a close. Okay, now be aware there are multiple exceptions that could show up here, okay? And this actually should have error in it. I will fix that on Canvas. There are multiple exceptions that could show up here, and I want you to manage all of these exceptions in our try catch or our try except block here, okay? So that should give you plenty of hints. The videos also cover this pretty well. So if you need any help, be sure you email me, let me know ASAP so I can get a hold of you and we can see if we can get it figured out.